Hanap mo ba isang GPS locator na abot kaya ang halaga? Mumurahing GPS locator na pwede makipagsabayan sa mga mamahaling GPS locator? Well, ito na ang hinahanap mo, isang GPS locator na abot kaya ang halaga at pwede sa mga Android phones. Ito ay Smart Finder Mili MyTag. Ito ay gawa sa Mili and exclusively for Android phones. Just like any other GPS tag, pwede mo siya ilagay sa motorcycle, sa bagahe, sa kotse, sa keychain, at sa iba pang mga bagay na importante sa iyo. The question is this cheap brand can really locate or track your belongings even and far away? Before I go on to this product review, unboxing muna tayo para makita niyo kung ano ang laman ng isang Smart Finder Mili MyTag na ito. Ito ay designed in Canada pero ito ay made in China. In fairness, maganda ang packaging ng Mili MyTag. Yung mga litra is sobrang klaro and easy to read. Pag ganito kasi, it means it is a good brand. So inside the box, it is a manual and the manual is very readable kahit maliit ang mga litra. And the box comes with a ring clip for keychain. It comes with spare battery. The size is CR2032. And it comes also with this one, lanyard, if I'm not mistaken. And the unit itself, Smart Finder Mili MyTag. The product comes with matte rubber finish. And I think it seems it is not waterproof. Yung size niya is malaki pa siya sa 5 peso coin. At malaki din siya kahit sa 10 peso coin. Sa pag-on, pindutin mo lang ng one time. So that is on, off. Okay, that is off. Once again, on. That is the sound of on, then off. Okay. To start the operation and pairing, you have to download Google Find My Device in Google Play Store. Just type Find My Device and proceed to Google Find My Device and install. Mine is already installed. The MyTag is very user friendly. It means it is very easy to use. You can rename the MyTag tracker. Mine, I changed it from MyTag to PCX. You can also change the icon of your MyTag tracking device. From bag to camera, laptop, luggage, motorcycle, and many more options icon to choose from. Once your MyTag is paired to your mobile device, it can never be paired once again to another mobile device. Only you who is the owner of the MyTag can pair and unpair the tracking device so that it will be useful to another person. By clicking this one, you can unpair your MyTag tracking device. But however, your MyTag tracking device is shareable to one person only, whom you can trust most. The one trusted person that can track you and monitor you wherever you go. Just click the share device of your MyTag so that it can be shareable to one person. The MyTag uses Bluetooth connection if it is only nearby devices. You can locate the MyTag position or location even it is far away using GPS offline. It would be much better if your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or data connection with load. Dahil sobrang bagal ang locating process if naka-offline ka. If your keys are misplaced inside your home and there's a MyTag on it, then it is very easy to locate if using the Bluetooth connection. And play the sound for much easier to find the item you are searching for. In the video, the outer petal ring is the coverage area of the lost item, and the brown-orange petal ring that is pulsating is the object that you are going to find. At palaki ng palaki siya pag malapit na siya sa object na hinahanap mo. So, madali na lang ang paghanap na misplaced o nawawalang susi sa bahay. Sabi ko kanina, ang MyTag is pwede magamit sa offline, pero mas mabuti kung nagka-online at connected ka sa inyong Wi-Fi or may data connection ka na mayroong load. Sa video, makikita mo na ang MyTag ay pwede talaga malocate or matrack kung halimbawa ang iyong kotse, motorsiklo is nakarnap. Nilagay ko ang MyTag sa working place ng asawa ko in this area. Pero ang naging pin location is in Balamban Church. I tried again. Pero lumalayo siya. At dito na naka-pinpoint or pin location niya. I tried once again at dito medyo lumalapit na siya ng kaunti. By the way, ito pala yung location ko. From Talavera to Balamban is mayroong 13 km at 24 minutes ang biyahean. So, hanggang dito na lang. Sana ang video na ito is nakatulong sa inyo. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell kung gusto nyo palaging ma-update sa mga bagong videos ko na katulad nitong product review. And once again, bye-bye!